Intro. Welcome to this video on how to make money online in 2023 with affiliate marketing. In this video, we'll be discussing what affiliate marketing is and how you can make money through this effective online marketing technique. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or have been trying to make money online for a while, this video will provide you with valuable tips and strategies that you can use to succeed. Part 1. What is affiliate marketing? Let's start by discussing what affiliate marketing is. In affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for each sale you make. Essentially, you're acting as a salesperson for a product or service and getting paid a commission for each sale you generate. Part 2. Finding the right affiliate program. To start making money with affiliate marketing, you need to find the right affiliate program that fits your niche. Start by choosing a niche that you're passionate about and that you have knowledge and expertise in. Then, search for affiliate programs that offer products or services in that niche. Some popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Part 3. Building your audience. To make money with affiliate marketing, you need to build an audience that trusts you and is interested in the products or services you're promoting. One way to do this is by creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience. This can include blog posts, videos, social media content, and more. Part 4. Promoting your affiliate products. Once you've built an audience, it's time to start promoting your affiliate products. There are many ways to do this, including creating product reviews, writing blog posts that include affiliate links, creating social media content that promotes your affiliate products, and more. The key is to promote your affiliate products in a way that feels natural and adds value to your audience. Part 5. Tracking your results. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to track your results and adjust your strategies accordingly. This can include monitoring your click-through rates, conversion rates, and overall earnings. By tracking your results, you can identify what's working and what's not and make changes to your strategies to optimize your results. Conclusion. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is an effective way to make money online in 2023. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your affiliate marketing journey.